Hey there YouTube, it is Tuesday the 29th of October 2019, about 5:58 in the evening, and I am out here to test this GoPro. I'll show you. If you can see, it is snowing, not really hard, it's a little light flakes, but it's snowing. And I'm just out here to do a little quick test. Sunset is at 6:06 tonight, which is 8 minutes from now. So I wanted to get this about as close to that point as I could, but you can see, obviously it's snowing. It's completely a whiteout, overcast, all that kind of stuff. Let's see, settings for the GoPro 8 here is 1080p 30 frames per second linear mode. And I'm just going to walk up and down the street here for a couple of minutes, get some of this snow. You can see the lights ain't on yet, so they haven't done that, so I don't know if they don't turn these on until after sunset or what. But we'll just go right here to the stop sign. You can see the stop sign right there, and we'll turn around, go back. See the icicles on the building over there? Let's see, right over there are some icicles. Hopefully you can see those. If nothing else, I see a little one here I can point out to you. So here you go. Icicle, right there. All right, cool. So we got that. It's like the guy's got trouble leaving the stop sign there. But anyway, got the hyper smooth on here, of course. So got that going. How's that noise coming through of that very loud truck? This is the Just Price Park here. Ooh, here, check this out. Let me show you this. Look how this snow is formed right here. It's curling off this roof. You got some pretty cool little icicles there. There's the front of it. So you can see it's trying to slide off, but it froze up and couldn't make it. There's the snow right there. And it's supposed to snow all night up to 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. They're saying we're going to get another 7 to 12 inches. So I'm hoping I can make another video out of this in the morning, show you some of the snow. And want to see a pronghorn in snow? Right there you go. Alright, so let me see what time it is right now. It's 6:01, almost 6:02. So we're only just barely 4 minutes from sunset. That ain't going to change much. But I think this right here is going to be a real test of the GoPro 8 and a Lowlight that everybody's so worried about. I think this will turn out pretty good, I'm hoping. Of course, I'm shooting everything on auto just to, you know, as the normal person probably would. You know, we don't want to do none of the Pro Tune stuff, none of that fancy stuff. So I just want you to see what this thing does auto. So get back here to my FJ, and oh, here, speaking of, look, you can see there's some little bitty icicles down there, and we got us a bigger icicle right there. All right, so just to verify with you here, let's see. Yeah, it's 6:02. There. Hopefully you can see that. 6:02:24. So you can see, so we're barely 3.5 minutes from sunset. So hopefully this has been a good test for you to tell something here. The FJ's gray, so that should tell you something as well. All right. Let's call this one done, and we'll see what else we can get into. I'll see you on the next one.